What's up, everybody? This is Rodney, aka KC Mac. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be making collard greens. Today's simple ingredients, we have 5 bunches of collard greens. We have a smoked turkey leg, smoked this myself on the smoker. We have crushed red peppers. We have 1 whole medium white onion. We have family favorite Lowry seasoning salt, black pepper, 2 tablespoons of sugar, minced garlic, or you can grab a fresh garlic clove if you want and do it yourself. Doesn't matter to me. Last but not least, we have chicken base from Miners. They got all kinds in the store. Grab you one of these, you're gonna need it.
All right, let's get started. First thing you need to do is go through your greens. You need to wash them thoroughly. Sometimes there's a lot of sand on them, so you need to put them in some cold water. And I like to let them sit. I like to agitate them by shaking them and moving them around. And sometimes I'll add some salt to that water. While you're doing that, you can get some olive oil. You need about 2 tablespoons. Put it in the bottom of your pot. Let it heat up and then add your onion. Now you need to cook that onion a little bit, so we're gonna stick that in there, stir it up, get it coated with oil, and then we'll add some of the other ingredients. 2 tablespoons of the minced garlic. I like it in that jar I have because it's got the juice and everything in there, so it doesn't matter. Toss in the red pepper flakes. Toss in the black pepper. And then we're gonna put in a generous amount of Lowry seasoning salt. Some of the best stuff on the market right there. And stir that up. We're gonna let those flavors blend together. Let it mix in with the oil. And it's just adding flavor at this point. While that's simmering and cooking down, we're gonna take these stems, we're gonna remove them. Some people like those stems in their collard greens, not me. A really sharp knife will do the job. Cut along the side, grab that stem, twist and pull, and it'll pop right off. Discard, because if you like stems, I don't want none of your greens. Now after we do some of these, we're gonna roll this up. Everybody's seen people roll up tobacco leaves before when they make cigars. That's all we're doing. We're gonna roll these up. Take a knife, we're gonna cut strips. You can cut them thin, you can cut them thick. It's kind of up to you. I like mine a medium cut. And then sometimes I'll come through and cut crossways so they're not so big. So I don't have to take a knife to them when I get them on my plate. Take those, throw them in a little bowl, and and finish doing all that, and you should be good. So you can see I got my warm water. I'm gonna mix some of my chicken base in there so it dissolves, stir it up real good. It try to settle on the bottom, so make sure that you stir it really, really well. Oh, now look at that. That's that turkey. It's been in there for about an hour, 15 minutes, and the meat is falling off. Pull that extra skin off. You don't want that skin in with your turkey. Then you go ahead and pour that chicken base in there. We're just building flavors at this point. Big bowl of greens. You take a little bit of time, fill that pot up. And just so you know, this is gonna fill that pot up. It's gonna be way above what it looks like. And I just kind of press it a little bit, and then I take my sugar. And I use sugar because it cuts out a little bit of the bitterness from the greens. People don't understand it. Some people don't do it at all, but just that little bit of bitterness comes off. It just takes the edge off. Put the top on there. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. When you get that turkey leg out, make sure you get that meat off of it. Look at there. That's about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours of cooking right there. So we're gonna let it go another hour, and this is what you get. Collard greens, turkey. We used a little bit of sriracha. We got Joey's homemade cornbread. I don't know what else to tell you other than dig in.